Welcome to my video this week. You may have heard that webinar where I told you about a Dutch friend who started with $1,000 in equity and built an 18 Kelvin trading account in less than 5 years. Today, he lives exclusively from Forex and has achieved absolute independence. It's a very big deal. Several people were interested in this subject, so I decided to make a webinar about it. How to build a capital from scratch that can be used to make a living. The first problem for Forex is money. With small capital, only high risk can you achieve a return that is already worth working for. The second problem is the combination of professional knowledge and experience for Forex. The third problem, the trader himself. You'd think it was the easiest point, but you're wrong. If someone can generate 10% profit per month, which is a very, very good performance, they earned $100 with $1,000 in capital. If you deduct the costs, internet, electricity, invested time, there is hardly a few dollars left. For that, it's not even worth turning on the computer. Most people then choose to raise the risk and thus take the path that leads directly to the degradation of capital. Few people acknowledge that Forex is a profession to learn. Most people are led to Forex by the false illusion of fast and easy making money. I often quote Andrew Kostolany, who says, "If you don't know yourself, the stock market is a pretty expensive place to achieve this." I often find that something to understand and something to note is taken between a deep trench. I mean, everyone understands that stock market is a long-term deal, but after his first couple of loss-making trades, they want to fall into their sword. I often what can be achieved in the short term, and almost without exception everyone underestimates the long-term possibility. Let's set up a project plan. Let's start with the exact definition of the goal, and let's start with everything numbered. For example, by March 1st, 2025, I want to raise a $20,000 capital. Then let's assess the current situation. How's the background? How stable is my financial position? How much time do I have to deal with Forex? After a short-term focus can be better, let's take the road to success for our purposes. Let's define milestones. Smaller, more accessible goals. It is also essential that we also think about what the breaks can be, where I see dangers, how I imagine them to be avoided. That's the big deal. Based on the aforementioned colleague's story and my 31 years of stock exchange experience, I give you tips on how to avoid traps and what strategies to trade with or worth trading on. So I look forward to it on Friday, February 28th at 7 p.m. You can register on the website as usual. Thank you for your attention. In the meantime, I wish you every success.